Dear Lord, in this day that we celebrate the first birthday and the christening of Cain, we pray for blessings and joy over her. You know everything about her before her birth, and you have a plan of prosperity and hope for her life. Let her feel confident and ready for the year ahead, knowing that you have an order for her steps and a purpose for her life. We pray for her parents, that in every day as they journey as a family, you provide them with love, understanding, and peace at home. We pray as well for the godparents that they may contribute in the growing of Cain as a Christian. We pray for the people who are here today gathered before you, and we pray for all the people who had helped in order for this celebration to be a success.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how
Our wishes wouldn't be a reality if the parents would not be there. So I hope Almira and Angelo will continue to be a good parents, no? And will continue to treat Cain not just a child, but an everyday blessing. So God bless you three, and no matter what happens, I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, AC is Araya Brianni Cuero Kawili together with her mom and dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just a day, just another year, good enough. You are the best. Gonna love you above the rest. May the times always smile on you. May happiness always come your way. We're here to love you. We're here to celebrate your day. Oh yeah. We wish the best for what the best can be. All the best. We wish for you that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. The years may come and the years may go, but that won't change what we already know. You're such a great friend, and in our hearts your love will grow. Count on us when you're feeling down. In times of trouble, we will hold your hand. You're such a great friend, and we will love you till the end. We wish the best of what the best can be. All the best. We wish for you that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. It's time to wish, it's time to give.
Ang wish ko lang niya sa parents, kapay ko tayo nga, aluman, yung bata. The future, my education. Work hard, kapay ko tayo center sa inyo, sa family, your relationship is God, prayers, understanding, respect and love. Yung unang pinatama yung importante na aspect sa relationship.
family.
sa iya mga manging friends ang lady, and of course, manging anghel. Anghel, hindi lang sa ginikaya, kundi sa tanan-tanan.
We would like to extend our gratitude. Thank you sa tanan na nag-spend kasi ilang time ay no, may mga commitment na kamo kay Christmas, pero sige ka machimpo sa pag-spend sa birthday sa aming bata. Of course, kay Lord na wala na kita maging disappointed kay mag-i-promise kay sa akong family, kay nanay, kay tatay, sa akong mga po, kay Kuya Ramel, kay nanay, sa kay mama, mama Nelly, sa family ni Angelo. Thank you again sa akong mga friends, sa school friends. Hindi man na minsan sa school party dahil hindi pa sila po rin. Sa mga nag-sponsor, sa mga kids, thank you again. Sa mga teachers po, kung wala bantay, sila dito bantay mo. Si Tita Ding, Tita Eileen, si Tita Ani, si Tita Rina, kay Malayo na po ako sa mag-mention. Sa akong galing nga, ay, sino na dyan, smart agad noy. Sa akong mga estudyante, mga ako na mga actor, naging nagulit sa amon, kay Mami Hinging, kay Ate Bea, kay Ate Kiki, kay Kuya, kay Daddy Bernie. Thank you, kid. Thank you, sa tanan sa inyo, pagsalagyan sa ako na bata. Of course, ako na mega, mga nilag, sa vlog. Wala din na hindi pag-request sa iya. Oo.